It's not the final word, but already this leaked draft opinion that would overturn Roe v. Wade has become a flashpoint, sparking debate and protests. Overnight, a crowd gathering outside the Supreme Court. The protest coming after Politico reported it obtained documents from a person familiar with the court's proceedings.
Obviously, someone on the court, either a clerk or a justice, must have leaked this opinion in protest to the majority's views.
Those unconfirmed documents are dated in February and labeled a first draft of the opinion in a Mississippi case the court heard this winter. Its apparent author, Justice Alito, writes Roe was egregiously wrong from the start. The draft also cites Planned Parenthood v. Casey, the 1992 case that affirmed Roe. Justice Alito said to be joined by Justices Thomas, Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, and Barrett. We hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled. It is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives. Law professor Alan Dershowitz last night on Fox News' Hannity says he doesn't think Roe should be overturned, but believes the document is real.
I think this was leaked by a liberal law clerk who is trying to change the outcome of the case.
And Planned Parenthood tweeting, "Let's be clear, this is a draft opinion. It's outrageous, it's unprecedented, but it is not final. Abortion is your right and it is still legal." Jonathan Keller with the California Family Council also points out that it's far from a final document and votes could still change.
We've seen all throughout SCOTUS history that draft opinions undergo revisions in the final weeks and even days and hours before a verdict is officially rendered.
If true, it's welcome news, though, for the pro-life community. The Susan B. Anthony list writing, "If the draft opinion made public tonight is the final opinion of the court, we wholeheartedly applaud the decision."
This is a hopeful day, but as I've seen many other pro-life advocates point out, this is not the end. In some ways, this is only the beginning. It is now up to us as pro-life Americans to show that we do love them both, that we love both children and their mothers.
The court is expected to rule on the case by late June or early July. In Washington, Jenna Browder, CBN News.